Mam, sorry Mam, ini mulai langsung.
Aja.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning to
The Honorable Extor Madam Rohimah and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His blessing we are glad to come here to join in this English meeting. And ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about passive voice. Let's open our meeting by saying basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you. For the next agenda is presentation session. For the first turn will be given by the first presentant. Please welcome Mr. Shirley.
What's that passive voice? Passive voice is a type of sentence with unique characteristic because subject that is supposed to be an agent to something or action is referred as the one which is affected or influenced by the action. It is therefore the opposite of active voice. Next. Forming the passive active, he opens the door, he as a subject opens. As a verb, the door, as an object. In passive sentence, the object or the door of an active verb becomes the subject of the passive verb. Passive, the door is opened by him, the door as a subject is opened as a verb. Meanwhile, the subject or he of an active verb follows by the noun that follows by is called the agent. Active, the sun rises in the morning, the sun as a subject rises as verb in the morning, adverb of time, passive noun. Only transitive verb or verb that can be followed by an object are used in the passive. It is not possible to use intransitive verb or such as rise, appear, happen, sleep, come, seem, as in the passive. Was the victim helped by Tom? Has the victim been helped by Tom? In the question form of passive verb, An auxiliary verb precedes the subject. Next. Passive voice rules for tense. Tense structure, active voice and passive voice. Example, active voice and passive voice. Present simple. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or IS. My mom makes a cake. Subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3. A cake is made by my mom. Present continuous. Subject plus is or am or are plus verb in. She is planting some trees. Subject plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3. Some trees are being planted by you. Present perfect. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Someone has stolen the cars. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 3. The cars have been stolen or by someone. Present perfect continuous. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb in. Jan and Jenna have been playing harp. Subject plus has or have plus been plus being plus verb 3. Harp has been being played by Jane and Jenna. Simple future or will. Subject plus will or shall plus verb 1. Bob will buy some books in the bookstore. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb 3. Some books will be bought by Bob in the bookstore. Simple future or be going to. Subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus verb 1. They are going to make a candlelight dinner tonight. Subject plus is or am or are plus going to be verb plus verb 3. A candlelight dinner is going to be made by them tonight. Future continuous or will. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb in. The president will be delivering a speech at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus being plus verb 3. A speech will be being delivered by the president at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Next, Mr. Sapriyadi.
Okay. Future continuous be going to. Subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus be plus verb in. The example for active voice is Maria is going to be presenting the research result. Subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus be plus being plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the research result is going to be being presented by Maria. Future perfect will. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. The example for active voice is the student will have completed the paper before the deadline. Subject plus will have plus subject plus will have been plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is
The paper will have been completed by the student before the deadline. Future perfect, be going to. Subject is subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus have plus verb 3. The example for active voice is the student are going to have completed the paper before the deadline. Subject is subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus have been plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the paper is going to have been completed by the student before the deadline. Future perfect continuous will. Subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing. The example for active voice is she will have been eating the watermelon. Subject plus will plus have been plus being plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the watermelon will have been being eaten by her. Future perfect continuous be going to. Subject plus is plus or am or are plus going to plus have been plus verb ing. The example for active voice is the famous singer are going to have been singing the song forever to die by the time it is finished. Subject plus is or am or are plus going to plus have been plus being plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the song are going to have been being sung by the famous singer forever to die by the time it is finished. Past simple. Subject plus verb 2. Robbie bought some movie ticket. Subject plus was or were plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is some movie ticket were bought by Robbie. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing. The example for active voice is the president was singing Indonesia Raya. Subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the president Indonesia Raya was being sung by the president. Past perfect. Subject plus had plus verb 3. The example for active voice is he had delivered the burger. Subject plus had been plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the burger had been delivered by him. Past perfect continuous. Subject plus had been plus verb ing. The example for active voice is Chef Juna had been preferring the restaurant Fantastic Dinner for 2 years before he moved to Surabaya. Next. Next. Okay. Subject plus had been plus being plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the restaurant Fantastic Dinner had been being prepared by Chef Juna for 2 years before he moved to Surabaya. Future in the past. Wall. Subject plus wall plus verb 1. The example for active voice is he will write the letter. Subject plus wall plus be plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is the letter will be written by him. Causative form. Subject plus has plus have somebody plus verb 1 plus something. Subject plus get somebody plus 2 plus verb 1 plus something. The example for active voice is we have your repair the computer. Subject plus has or have or get somebody plus verb 3 plus by plus someone. The example for passive voice is we have the computer repaired by you. Model auxiliaries. Subject plus model auxiliaries plus verb 1. The example for active voice is I can make a rainbow cake. Subject plus model auxiliaries plus be plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is a rainbow cake can be made by me. Model auxiliaries present perfect. Subject plus model auxiliaries plus have plus verb 3. The example for active voice is the crocodile might have killed her. Subject plus model auxiliaries have plus been plus verb 3. The example for passive voice is she might have been killed by the crocodile. Next. Exercise direction. Change the active to the passive. Number 1. Bob writes some letter. Some letter. The answer right is are bug by Bob. Number 2. Bob wrote some letter. Some letter. The answer right is was written by Bob. Number 3. Bob will write some letter. Some letter. The answer right is are being written by Bob. Number 4. Bob is writing some letter. Some letter. The answer right is being letter written by Bob. Number 5. Bob was writing some letter. Some letter. The answer right is were being written by Bob. Number 6. Bob is going to write some letter. Some letter. The answer right is are going to be written by Bob. Number 7. Bob was written some letter. Some letter. The answer right is has been written by Bob. Number 8. Bob had written some letter. Some letter. The answer right is had been written by Bob. Number 9. Bob has to write some letter. Some letter. The answer right is has been written by Bob. Number 10. Bob must write some letter. Some letter. The answer right is must be written by Bob. Is Bob written some letter? Some letter. The answer right is are being written by Bob. Did Bob write some letter? Some letter. The answer right is were written by Bob. Has Bob written some letter? Some letter, the answer right is have been written. Next.
The second exercise, direction, change the active to the passive. Number 1, Mariah Carey sang romantic songs in her concert last night. The answer is romantic songs were sung by Mariah Carey in her concert last night. The second number, my father will repair the computer tomorrow. The answer, the computer will be repaired. Number 3, Fatima and Aisyah were discussing the news. The answer is the news are being discussed by Fatima and Aisyah. Number 4, Mr. Yudhoyono reads 3 books every day. The answer, 3 books are read by Mr. Yudhoyono every day. Number 5, I have finished a big project for 2 days. The answer, a big project has been finished by me for 2 days. Number 6, the president will be delivering a speech tomorrow morning. The answer, a speech will be delivered by the president tomorrow morning. Next. The third exercise, direction, change the passive to the active. This form, number 1, this form is written by Paula. The answer, Paula writes the form. Number 2, these pictures were taken by photographers. The answer, photographers took this picture. Number 3, the texts are going to be submitted by our chairman. The answer, chairman are going to submit the test. Number 4, the book had been returned by Ken to the library. The answer, Ken has returned the book to the library. Number 5, will the additional course be taken by you? The answer, will you take the additional course? Number 6, that delicious cake has to be bought by you. The answer, we will buy that delicious cake. Next. Exercise the 4. Direction, change the active to the passive is possible. Some verbs are intransitive and cannot be changed. Number 1, the smoke rises to the sky. The answer, no change. Number 2, we will continue the meeting after the break time. The answer is the meeting will be continued after the break time. Number 3, our team won the game yesterday. The answer, the game yesterday was won by our team. Number 4, it rained hard last night. The answer, no change. Number 5, my doctor seemed happy when she went to the zoo. The answer is no change. Number 6, the couriers have dropped the box in the garage. The answer, the box is in the garage has been dropped by the courier. Next to Mr. Ahmad Ridwan.
Okay, exercise 5. Exercise 5 direction corrects the error in this sentence. Number 1. We are interested in his idea. The answer is we are interested in his idea. Number 2. The cars are parking on basement during this meeting. The answer is the cars were parked in the basement during this meeting. Number 3. The project is being made every day. The answer is the project is made every day. Number 5 and number 4. Millie Salt has been told the news a long time ago. The answer is Millie Salt have been told the news a long time ago. Number 5. Was my purse stolen by someone? The answer is was my purse stolen by someone? Number 6. I have been taught by your mom for 3 years. The answer is I have been taught by your mom for 3 years. Next. Completions. Number 1. We can see many beautiful paintings in this exhibition. They were blah 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 by famous Indonesia painter. The answer is B, painted. Number 2. 2 tents for our camping world. Blah 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 by my mother. The answer is C, B book. Number 3. A well-known architect is designating our new office. The passive form of the previous sentence is our new office. Blah 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 by a well-known architect. The answer is D, is being designated. Next. Number 4. The important email has been sent by my secretary. What is the active form of this sentence? The answer is my secretary has seen the important email. Number 5. The translate some old documents last week. The passive form of the previous sentence is some old document blah 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 by them last week. The answer is D, where translate. Number 6. They select Alpha because of work. The passive form the sentence is because of work blah 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 blah. The answer is Alpha B, Alpha were select. Next. Okay, the next slide, Mr. Mariam.
Number 7, his first book, blah blah blah, tomorrow morning. The answer is B, will be launched. The number 8. Number 8, he fixed the broken bags every day. The passive form of the sentence is the broken bags. The answer is A, are fixed by him every day. Number 9, Susie has taken an English course. What is the passive form of that sentence? The answer is B. An English course has been taken by Susie. Next. Number 10, the computers are being used by the student now. What is the active form of that sentence? The answer is B. The student were using the computer now.
Yeah, hello. Every morning, maybe question. Okay, everyone, maybe question. You know text. Thank you.